What is the best move in this chess position? And we are for the black pieces. In this chess position, our opponent has their rook on c6 and a rook on a6 that's not really doing anything, but our opponent is up 2 pawns. So if we don't do something now, then we would be losing. The only thing that's for the black pieces is this king on g3 being really vulnerable. And our king is pretty safe. Even if it gets checked by one of these rooks, we can just go to king g7 and there's no more checks. The best move for the black pieces is rook g1, threatening to take this pawn and to take all the other pawns on the second rank. The best move in this position by the computer is to do f4, just to give the king more space to run around. You don't want it to be trapped in a mating net. And after rook g takes on g2, king f3, rook g f2, check, king back to g3, can go to e3 or that would be checkmate, but king g3, pawn takes on f4, and this king is in a bad position, probably going to get mated in a few moves, and yes, that is the best move.